How to use Moz Pro Marketing Analytics properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Moz Pro is a powerful marketing analytics platform, but beginners often make mistakes that cost visibility, traffic, and conversions. Most people get this wrong, but understanding how to use Moz effectively changes the SEO game. One frequent error is not leveraging keyword research properly. Moz Keyword Explorer provides search volume, difficulty, and opportunity scores. Beginners often chase high-volume keywords without considering competitiveness. Instead, targeting medium-volume, low-difficulty keywords can bring faster, more consistent traffic. For example, a long-tail keyword like affordable project management tools can outperform a generic keyword like project management tools. Another mistake is ignoring site audits. Moz Site Crawl identifies broken links, duplicate content, and missing tags. Many beginners overlook these errors, which harm rankings and user experience. Running regular audits and fixing issues keeps your site healthy and search-friendly. Beginners also often neglect link analysis. Moz Link Explorer reveals inbound links, spam scores, and domain authority. Focusing only on quantity instead of quality can lead to toxic backlinks. Prioritize authoritative, relevant sites to strengthen your SEO profile. Tracking rankings is another common pitfall. Moz allows monitoring of keyword positions over time. Ignoring this means you may miss drops in rankings or opportunities to capitalize on rising keywords. Regularly reviewing reports ensures data-driven adjustments. Finally, some users fail to utilize Moz page optimization recommendations. Each page has actionable suggestions for meta tags, headings, and content. Eyeing these insights improves on-page SEO and increases organic traffic. To use Moz Pro properly, research the right keywords, run consistent audits, focus on quality backlinks, monitor rankings, and optimize pages based on recommendations. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures your SEO strategy is effective, efficient, and sustainable.